This color is called Benten. It's an ultra shift from blue to mauve. Mauve being like a soft magenta color. This, I believe, is called Itsumade. It is an Ultrashift pigment from red to gold. Okay, so here's Benten. Benten is an ultra shift from blue to mauve. And it all depends on the angle of the sun, if you're looking at it against the sun or with. But two very beautiful colors. The transition is just beautiful. Very nice blue. Reddish purple. This is called Itsumade. So this is a transition between red and gold. A beautiful red-orange look. And then this way, you see that goldish. So again, it all depends on the angle that you see it, sideways, against the sun, But it is a very beautiful color. Itsumade. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Check out the description, check out all the links. I have the Intercoat that I use, the Urechem, very good product. I'm not affiliated, not sponsored, just a really good product, so I'll leave the link. The Clearcoat is the Cobra, sprays just like the Besni. I used to use the Besni a whole lot. The link that I have down below Again, comes from eBay. It's a very inexpensive clear coat, and I do recommend it. Not sponsored or anything like that. Just sharing out the products. And as far as the pigments from Eye Candy, I do have an affiliate discount. So if you guys use the code GT's Performance, you guys will save 15% on any color, any pearl from the website, anything you'd like. Save 15%. So be sure to use that code. Other than that, leave some comments. Let me know what you think about these two colors. And there's only 14 colors of these Ultrashift on the sample pack. So I'm going to be doing 2 colors at a time. You know, short, around 5 minutes each. And other than that, there's only 7 videos. But at the end of this, I do want to try to get my truck ready, sand it, spray some primer, and perhaps even spray an Ultrashift pigment on my truck. Depending on if we find something that we like and that fits the style of the truck, I'll definitely paint my truck with an Ultrashift pigment. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace out.